So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which I'm going to leave down below in the description, to download Speccy. Or you could just head over to any web browser and then just type in Speccy, and then just go to the website by CCleaner. So now you want to click on download free version. There's also more versions that you can choose from. It gives you the details. But if you just want to see your specs, then the free version is enough. So now you want to scroll down and then click on free download. Scroll down again, and again you can see what you're missing out on and what you can actually get if you do want to purchase a better version. But I'm just going to be going for the free Speccy version, so I'm going to click on download. And now it's going to start downloading. Now it's going to double click on it so you can install it. And then click on yes. And now you're going to click on install. That was fast. You can untick view release notes and then click on run Speccy. And then once you're in here, you can click on summary. And it shows you your operating system, CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphics card, storage device, optical drives, and your audio devices. And if you want to get more information about any one of them, on the left hand side, let's say I want more information about the RAM, I can click on RAM on the left hand side, and it comes with more information. So you could do this for everything right here that you can see. There's also more options right here you can play around. If you click on file, you have some options right here, and if you click on view as well, and yeah, that's how you do it.